This is a tutorial to make a do-it-yourself mix and match coloring book by Ozzi Brand. The final mix and match coloring book has cut pages. They are called flaps. Flipping the flaps allow us to create many variations. In this tutorial, we are using an inkjet photo matte paper. However, we can also use a standard laser printer paper, which is good if we use coloring pencils. A thicker paper like this will work nicely with markers. This book has 10 beautiful coloring flowers. It is a great fun to color them while flipping the flaps. Let's begin the tutorial. In step 1, we will print the pages and prepare the back cover of the book. We need to print 12 pages, the front cover, the back, and 10 flowers. Let's make the back cover of the book. The back cover is made using the last 2 pages. Adding a thick cardboard paper between them will make our back cover better. We should glue them together. We will attach the pages and glue them together. The easiest way is to use a glue stick. The back cover of the book is now ready. Moving to step 2, let's make folding lines in all pages. There are 10 pages with folding lines, the front cover, and 9 coloring pages. There is a visible folding line in each one of the pages. We will begin with making a fold in the front cover page. And continue to make a fold in each of the other pages. Making a fold in the last page. And getting ready to the next step. In step 3, we will make the spine of the book by gluing the pages together. We will glue each 2 pages together. Finally, we will glue the last 2 pages. Now, we can check our book by flipping the pages. In step 4, we will cut the pages to make the flaps of our mix and match coloring book. There are 2 dashed lines with scissors on each page. The easiest way is to use a metal ruler and a craft knife. And to cut along the dashed lines. Please notice not to cut the spine of the book, so cut only along the dashed line. Now make the second cut along the dashed line. The flaps of the book are now ready, and we can flip them to check. Finally moving to step 5, where we will glue the back cover to complete our mix and match coloring book. Take the back cover that we made in step 1 and glue it to the other pages of the book. Our mix and match coloring book is finally ready. We can flip the flaps to check that everything works. Great! Our work is complete. Let's try to play with our amazing mix and match coloring book. We used a thicker paper, great for coloring markers. And these are fantastic coloring markers. Flipping the flaps while coloring gives an amazing experience, much more enjoyable. And it is fun, especially for children. Coloring is a great way to help children build fine motor skills and to develop their hand-to-eye coordination. This mix and match coloring book will add fun and spark creativity. Check for more exciting mix and match coloring books. From Ozzi Brand.